The key piece that I want to throw in, though, about change happening faster is we all know Moore's law and the acceleration of hardware, which actually now looks like it's going to go on for maybe another 5 years or so through some technical hacks. The other law, though, that interests me now is Metcalfe's law. And that's Bob Metcalfe, who, among other things, helped invent Ethernet. And about 8 years ago, Bob postulated that the value of a network grows as a square of the number of people attached to it. So in other words, it's another exponential growth. And that, I think, is what has really potentiated the last 10 years, the way Facebook went from 12 million 11 years ago to 2 billion today. Classic Metcalfe's law at work. And what's interesting about Metcalfe's law is it allows newcomers into the marketplace to really even bring down regulated industries because they grow so quickly. Classic example here in New York City is Uber. About 3 summers ago, the number of Uber cars in New York got to be as large as the number of yellow cabs. The yellow cab lobby, quite influential in New York City politics, went to the mayor and said, you got to do something about this Uber thing. And the mayor actually said, okay, we're going to put a cap on the number of Uber cars allowed. But by that time, Uber was already so entrenched, had such a powerful network of users and drivers that they orchestrated this amazing PR campaign, all focused on the mayor, who came out a couple weeks later and said he had actually misspoken about the Uber thing. What we're going to do is study it. Now, there's 5 times as many Uber vehicles in New York City as there are yellow cabs, and the yellow cab industry is just shaking its head. How did they get run over by this thing?